pagdating sa practice, tahimik na pinanood ng mga taga-tahanan ng mga idol nila.
Yeah, but I'm a big sports fan, so I think it just shows that sports is for everybody. And I think we're fortunate to be able to be with you guys today and just sharing a little fun game.
Mukhang tutok na tutok sa panonood si Rolly, ah.
Maganda ng mga diskarte, mga plano-plano, kung paano yung siguro pagdating sa Wilder, magagawa rin siguro namin yun. Pag may samahan lang kaming maganda, kaya yung may magtitrain din sa amin, mag-coach din.
Nang matapos ang ensayo ng frontal, nakipag-bonding naman sila sa mga taga-tahanan para bigyan ito ng tips sa paglalaro.
Isang tip na rin yung nakikipagharap sa kanila, lakas na ng loob yung ganyan. Yung parang tip na pwede namin i-apply sa laro. Lalo na pagkalaban yung mga ibang bansa. Lakas ng loob lang.
I think the only way you can really achieve, what it is that you set your goals for, just definitely, be persistent and definitely just continue to work hard to try to achieve your goals.
Well, let's see if the pointers they gave you are effective. Mukhang ganadong-ganado sina Rolly, ha? Even our PBA players look like they're having a grand time.
I think it got a little competitive at the end. But again, it was all in good fun, and we're just glad that we can share being on the court together.
Ako naman, ang ganda ng pagdala nila sa amin na kahit na nasa Wilder, tapos sila stable body, tapos lalaki pa ng mga katawan. Maganda naman yung pakikiano nila, parang rehab na sila pagdating sa laro namin na Wilder, saka yung stable body, parang hindi sila naiilang na kumilot.
Well, guys, first I just want to say thanks for being here and then sharing our practice, and it was an honor for my teammates and I to be here with you guys and to play the game today. So on behalf of At Your Service and Sports House, we have some basketballs and complete with the net for you guys just to show a little token of appreciation. So again, I hope you guys had a great time today. I know we did. Thank you guys. Thank you guys.
Mga kasama ko, enjoy na enjoy. Sa At Your Service, maraming salamat po sa pagdala niyo sa amin sa pag-ensayo ng mga player ng Token Text Frontal. At paano po ay nakakuha po kami ng diskarte, yung kung paano po maglaro ng able body na pwedeng gawin ng mga disabled na katulad na.
I just want to say thank you for coming out and sharing a great experience for on behalf of my teammates and I. Hope you guys had a great time, and I wish you guys all the best of luck. So thank you again.
Sana po napasaya namin kayo. Pero relax lang po kayo dahil may presenta pa kami para sa inyo.